Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. So today in School for Elders, we have a very interesting and inspiring story of Musikal Pankajakshi, who has preserved the art form Noku Vidya Pavakali. What is Noku Vidya Pavakali? You might have not even heard, because she is the sole practitioner of this unique art form. It's a puppetry art form. It's the highest puppetry art form. And my dear friend, this lady is practicing it since the age of 11. And yes, she is 84 today, and she is 84 to 85. And Government of India has recognized her efforts, and she has been awarded Padma Shri for her efforts. So this lady says, no matter whatever is my age, I will keep on performing this art culture. And she knows almost all the puppetry arts. I will send the link in the description box of her undying efforts, because she constantly worked for this. Now she said that I really want to preserve this tradition. I don't want to be the sole practitioner. So she is teaching her granddaughter and others. She's passing on the legacy to others. So considering the Padma Shri awards and recognition from Government of India, I'm sure now many people would want to learn this art form, right? So because she has discovered her inner talent, innate capabilities. She might have discovered that yes, she can perform it, she can do it. So that's how she is doing it, right? So today a wellness tip is, you need to, before giving the tip, I want to ask you some questions. Who created E is equals to mc square? Who created Newton's law of gravity, sorry, Newton's law of gravity? So your answer to first question is E is equals to mc square must be Albert Einstein, right? And second one is Newton, right? Isaac Newton. So my dear friends, no one has created any law. Neither E is equals to mc square, neither gravity. It was already there. These people have discovered this, right? So no one creates anything. Whenever you say to someone that you become that, you become a good parent, you become astrologer, you become astronaut, or whatever, you are already there. You already are something. You are a being. You just need to discover yourself. And I firmly believe since my childhood that we are to discover ourselves, because light was already there. Einstein has not discovered Einstein has not created anything. He has just discovered that, and he has just transferred that knowledge, which we can also do that, right? So it was metaphysics and physics. So if I say, I am just practicing this since my childhood. Why I'm saying, I can validate. If you go to my profile, Instagram profile, which I have created, in that also I have mentioned discovering myself, discovering my inner self. Yes, because I'm already created. I'm already created by creator or divine creation, or whosoever is the divine intelligence or infinite intelligence. I'm already created. So you all are already created. Whatever you are already being. You have already become something. You just need to discover. It's very deep if you will understand. You just need to discover your inner self. No one creates anything. Everything is already there in the creation, right? You just discover that yes, a plane can fly, a metal can fly in the form of airplane, right? So you just need to discover that. No one has created anything. They just assemble things and they just turn into certain creations, right? However, things are already there. They just discovered that we can do this also with that particular thing, right? I hope I'm clear of wellness part. So never say never have this attitude that I don't want to do it. I have done this in past, I have not got result. If Edison would have said so, why I give example of Edison every time, because that's my favorite example. Yes, 10,000 times, any normal person would say no. I would not do that 10,000 times. The more failures you get, the more closer to you are towards your purpose and your goal, because you just keep on discovering. These are stepping stones. Okay, suppose there are 5 ways to reach a particular place, right? And there are 10 ways through which we can go wrong, we can take wrong direction, right? Or I can just simplify it. There are 20 keys and you need to open one lock, right? So if you try one key, you will open the lock, you're very lucky, very good. So second, third, fourth, even if 19th key you try, then 20th is sure shot, right? 20th key is sure shot that you will open the lock with this key, right? So never say I had enough, I have done so much in my life, I have not got rewards. There is no tomorrow. I mean, why I give only elders examples, why only I share elder stories? Because many of them have recognized at such an old age. Can you imagine, this lady is performing this since 11 years. I mean, she was at the age of 11 and her efforts got recognized at 85. 85, oh my god, people, 85, can you imagine? I mean, it's commendable. She has worked for more than 73 years. Just imagine, she has received Padma Shri at 84. So can you imagine, 73 years of constant effort, then she got recognition. So please keep on discovering, universe will definitely reward you one day. So that's my mantra. You don't need to become anything, you're already something, you're a fantabulous creation of God, right? So thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing my videos. See you, take care, bye bye.